Hi, guys. I'm Anthony. I'm the head of products at Mustache Bikes, and I'm here with Paul today, one of our full stack developers. So 10 years ago, when we started Mustache, our founders, 10 years ago, people were kind of laughing at them when they started making electric bikes. They were pioneers in that field, and we're trying to do that now on the digital front as well. So nowadays, we're around 200 people at Mustache, and we've got we manufacture 50,000 plus bikes a year. In France, but we sell internationally. So we design everything, we build everything in France, and we care about detail. So from the curve of the handlebar to the digital experience of our B2B partners and B2C client online. And we do that with a limited team, obviously. So it comes with a few challenges, and sometimes it feels like riding on a fixie uphill. So as you can imagine, it's painful. So we knew something had to change.
So we were juggling tools like WordPress here, static content there, and every update felt like changing a chain mid-race. Updating content was a slow and painful process. Mistakes happened a lot, and everyone was using different tools. We had 3 back office to deal with. So we had our B2B website, which contains blog articles on sales, product information for resellers. We have also our B2B training platform that use content on servicing, using, and selling our products. And last but not least, our B2C website, which contains now blog articles for customers, FAQs, and product stories. So each content manager was specialized in one of them and was fully autonomous on all 3. We also have translating content in 5 languages, and that was involving a lot of copy-pasting and back and forth on communication with translations agency. So to perform in this, we needed a platform that could keep the tech team happy, give control to marketing, and scale without getting clunky. So we didn't want a CMS, but we wanted a gearbox, something that connects the rider to the road and makes the whole ride smoother. So for that, we went all in Strapi when it comes to digital content. And we built, instead of building 3 separate platforms, we built one supercharged content engine. And so as you can see, we built one single back office, which is our Strapi solution. And so it contains draft and preview features directly in our fronts. It also has a growing library of reusable content blocks. And so it's managing the content for our B2C website, which is still a WordPress website, but it's going to change soon. And he's connected with our B2B portal, which is newly built last year, and which is a Symfony PHP website, which contain B2B blog articles and trending pages from our previous training platform. And so it has real-time updates on our fronts thanks to webhooks included in Strapi and API calls from fronts to Strapi. And on top of that, we needed something to manage our translation needs. And for that, we took a few days to code a Strapi plugin that leverages OpenZI completion API to translate content on the fly. So content managers loved it. As you can see on this video, this is the simple UI of Strapi to make rapid content on an article. We had a new button, translate, with select component to select the source language and the target language of our article. we just hit process or confirm, and we just can see on the back that it's translating on the fly in the language that we request, and it's keeping all the bullet points, all the components are good, the styling like the bold, the underline, and everything. So it saved us thousands in translation services. There is no more copy and paste mistakes or typos, and it reduces our content delivery lead times from weeks to seconds.
So what actually changed? So our teams used to work in silos, but each content team created their content in their backend. Sometimes the same content was duplicated across several fronts. Updates dragged because our dev team was already busy fixing tech problems. And our content team felt like they weren't fully autonomous. Now with Strapi, I mean, everything's changed. Our product launches are way faster, cleaner. Marketing team pushes content at their own pace. Developers, they're able to actually focus on building high-value features now and not like moving pixels. So we're not a tech company, but now we feel like we're moving like one. So what's next? Well, like we saw before, we started the project by improving our B2B interface for our clients. Our training content now is also using Strapi. And our next project is to revamp the B2C website. So now we're just going to apply what worked already. And we're already having as a target to extend Strapi to our product pages. And then migrate all the frequently asked questions section. And the goal here, obviously, is to have a centralized Strapi content base. So our stack now, we feel like it's not slowing us down anymore. Like it's pushing us forward. So if you're building something meaningful and you're tired of tools fighting you, well, shift gears, not code.
Right. Thank you.
Let's give a nice big round of applause. Thank you so much, Anthony and Paul.
Yeah.